Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveiled Universe. So, Apple has announced to have another event this year on 27th of March, which has been announced earlier today. The Let's Take a Field Trip logo for this event is clearly focusing on idea for teachers and students, and the event is going to take place in a Lane Tech College Prep High School on north side of the city of Chicago. Last time Apple had an event like this one was at 12th of January 2012. And what to expect from this event? A whole new iPad series. A new iPad that is having the Apple Pencil and that has been improved and precised tip. It is rumored to be a price-friendly product that would cost around $270, and it may be the Apple's most cheapest iPad ever. And another one is the fan favorite iPhone SE2, which is also rumored to be announced during this event, which is going to be the most loved iPhone of all time. It is rumored to be announced at around $450, having a 4.7-inch non-bezel design with a notch, having those cameras and sensors. And it is also rumored to be having a camera sensor which is equal to iPhone 10, and most of the features of the iPhone SE will be very similar to the iPhone 10. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If yes, do hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming news and leaks. In the end, share the video and I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.